Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to be creating this soft Bengali glam look specially for the upcoming Saraswati Puja, but you can carry it anywhere and everywhere. And this beautiful oxidized jewelry is from Ahollas Calcutta. I am going to attach her Instagram handle in the description box. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so first I am going to start with my prepping my lips. So for that I am using this beautiful new lip balm. This is from Organic Harvest. They have sent me, and this is so cute, and it has a little bit of pinky tone, so it will give you like hydration on your lips for a very long time, and I just completely love it. Anyways, now move on to face. So for that I am using Green Berry sunscreen, and it has SPF 50 in it, and I completely love the sunscreen because it has no white tint and it will not give you any kind of stickiness. It's like moreover like a pure moisturization. I completely love it. And now I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome Strobe Cream, and I'm using like Ittusa. You just need very small amount of strobe cream, and I'm using the high points of my face. And can you see when I am blending it, it will give you a luminosity, and I completely love this. You can totally use it on all over your face, but I am focusing it more over on my high points. And the best part of this product is that it doesn't have any kind of chunky glitter, which I love the most, and it's kind of similar to the MAC Strobe Cream but in affordable version. Now for primer I am using Lakme Absolute Blur Professional Primer, and I am taking like very small amount of primer, and first I am going to rub it between my fingers, and now I am going to use it only on my nose to blur it out and to give it like a mattifying finish, because my nose gets oily very much, and within a second you can see the difference. Can you see the difference between my luminosity and the matte kind of a जो effect है उसके अंदर? So I am using just like on my nose. And now for foundation I am using Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade 310 Sun Beige. And I am using this full coverage foundation because I need like more coverage on my face, because generally Saraswati Puja it's like a long day, and I completely love the foundation because it has like a little bit of mattifying finish, and this is one of the best foundation I have ever used. For concealer I am going to use Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 20 Sand, and I am using it under my eyes, on my nose, and Cupid's bow, and the usual section of my face. And now I'm going to blend it. And I think you have noticed that I haven't used any foundation on my under eye, because I have told you that do not use any foundation under your eye, use concealer there. And after blending with beauty blender I am going to use my finger, which I have told you earlier also, क्योंकि आपकी finger में जो गर्मियाँ है वो that will help to melt down your concealer and it will protect from creasing. So always after using beauty blender use your finger, and can you see the difference? It's magic. Now I'm going to use my favorite Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade 25 Medium. So first I'm going to use it with my beauty blender, but do not use directly. First dab it on your hand, excess का जो है वो remove कर लो, and now just use it under your eyes, because otherwise if you use it on all over your face you will lose the luminosity. Can you see the glow? तो अगर आप full face पे इस्तेमाल करोगे तो that will like lost. So for eyebrow pencil I am using LA color eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown, and brows are really very important, so do not skip that, and I completely love this brow pencil. So for eyeshadow I am using that same eyeshadow palette, which is Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Red Alert. And from that same palette I am using that dark brown shade, and I am using it only on my crease with a fluffy brush. You can see that I am focusing it only on my crease from inner corner to outer corner. I am not using it on my lid, and I am just buffing it out on my whole crease. And now with a flat brush I am using this dark mauve shade, and I am just patting the color on my crease from the inner corner to outer corner. जहाँ पर मेरा brow ख़त्म होता है वहाँ पर मैं extend कर रही हूँ, and I am just patting the color. I am not blending it whatsoever. I am just patting the color, and I will pat the color until I will have be the intensity of the color. So yeah, it's now moreover like I am happy. So yeah, now I am going to buff the color. So for that I am using that same fluffy brush which I have used, and I haven't take any eyeshadow. जो पहले का था डार्क ब्राउन वही है. I am just buffing the upper portion of the crease color, and you will see the difference within a second. And can you see the difference? My right side look more soft and the left side में वो harsh line है. So I am not buffing the lower section of the crease color. I am just buffing the upper portion ताकि वो remove हो जाए वो line. And now I am using that same concealer जो कि मैंने इस्तेमाल किया था Fit Me का, and with a flat brush now I am going to cut my crease. So this is not like a regular cut crease, so this is like very simple cut crease. तो पहले आप ऐसे लगा लो कंसीलर जहाँ पर आपको you will understand कि कहाँ पर आपका जो crease है वो शुरुआत होता है. So now with that flat brush I am just spreading the color, and you can notice that कि जहाँ पर मैंने वो crease पे वो dark mauve shade यूज़ किया था उसके ठीक नीचे में वो जो कंसीलर है उसको मैं spread कर रही हूँ to cut my crease. And this cut crease it's little different than other and it's very easy. and बस आपको बस crease को कट करना है, फुल लीड को ही आपको बेसिकली कट करना होगा फ्रॉम इनर कॉर्नर टू आउटर कॉर्नर. एंड आउटर कॉर्नर को जब आप कट करोगे तो ब्रश का टिप जो है उससे कट करना ताकि वो एक अच्छा शार्प इफेक्ट दे. एंड नाउ विद फ्रॉम दैट सेम पैलेट एंड विद दैट सेम ब्रश आई एम यूजिंग अ वाइट शेड टू सेट द कंसीलर. डू नॉट यूज़ एनी काइंड ऑफ अ पाउडर ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट, क्योंकि जो कंसीलर का जो स्टिकीनेस है वो ये वाइट कलर को पकड़ने में मदद करेगा. इवन यू कैन यूज़ योर फिंगर से बहुत अच्छा पिगमेंटेशन भी आता है. एंड नाउ वो जो क्रीज कलर है उसको डार्क करने के लिए आई एम यूजिंग दैट सेम मॉवी कलर, एंड आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग लिटिल बिट ऑफ कलर ऑन देयर. यू कैन टोटली स्किप द स्टेप. एंड दिस लुक नीड्स अ eyeliner, so for that I am using Swiss Beauty gel eyeliner. You can totally use any eyeliner, and I am drawing a winged eyeliner. And now you can see that I am using kajal. So for that I am using Lakme kajal, and this is in the shade dark brown. You can totally use black, but सरस्वती पूजा generally सुबह होता है तो it will be like very tired look if you use dark black color. And with that same crease color जो डार्क ब्राउन है आई एम जस्ट स्मजिंग द लोअर लैश लाइन. एंड स्मच करने के टाइम जो आउटर कॉर्नर पे जो आईलाइनर है उसको भी मैं थोड़ा सा स्मच कर रही हूँ. सो फॉर मस्कारा आई एम यूजिंग मेबलिन टोटल टेम्पटेशनल लैश वॉल्यूम मस्कारा आई गेस. एंड दिस मस्कारा इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. लाइक इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू यूज़ द फॉल्स लैशेज you can totally use this mascara only, and you will see the difference. Like, can you see the difference? This mascara is really very beautiful, and you don't need to use like false lashes. I am just adjusting my false lashes. And yeah, now with that from that same palette I am using this golden highlighting color, and I am using this to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. And inner corner highlighting is really very important. It will like give you like more poppy effect. So for blush I am using Biotic natural blush, and this is like beautiful blush. I believe that this blush is a little underrated, but trust me guys, this blush is like outstanding. And for highlighter I am going to use Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and this is in the shade I think Precious Petal. And इसका जो अंडरटोन है वो गोल्डन है, क्योंकि मेरा साड़ी का जो साड़ी में थोड़ा सा गोल्डन एक टिंट है, इसीलिए आई एम यूजिंग दिस गोल्डन हाईलाइटर. एंड कैन यू सी दिस हाईलाइटर इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. So if you don't want to use golden highlighter you can use anything, but as I have like golden on my saree, that's why I am using it. For lipstick I am using Huda Beauty Power Bullet lipstick, and this is in the shade थोड़ा सा याद नहीं है, but you can see that this is sunset orange, and this is like beautiful. You can use any kind of red lipstick because our eye is very soft, so lipstick थोड़ा सा dark होना चाहिए. So for setting I am using PAC makeup fixer to set everything. Makeup fixing is very important. And yeah, this is my final look. Hope you have liked it, and this is very soft and very subtle. सरस्वती पूजों में ज़्यादा like wedding makeup करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, and this jewelry is like beautiful and complementing my makeup a lot. And yeah, if you like this, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys on my next video. Tata, stay happy and bye bye.